Good evening, everyone. Doppler 10 meteorologist Ross Caruso here. I want to give you an update on the weather for this fabulous start to fall. It was very pleasant for us today, seeing mostly sunny skies. So let's take a look at what's in store for the rest of your weekend. Well, welcome to autumn, as you probably are already aware of. Starting to see a little hint of color out there, but still pretty green. We'll see plenty of sun through this weekend. Might see a bit more cloud coverage as we head into the end of the day on Sunday. And then finally looking at a chance for some rain, which we certainly could use it, and I'm sure your lawn is telling you the same thing out there as well. Looking rather brown and perhaps even a little bit crunchy out there. Nice to see that we are seeing mostly sunny skies across central Ohio for us right now. That's not everywhere, though. We are looking at some clouds that are developing out into the east. We'll talk about that in just a second. But right now, very nice out, 78 degrees, very dry. Dew points into the 40s out there. Nice breeze out of the northeast at 13 miles an hour. Temperatures right now 78 degrees here in Columbus, 76 in Westerville, 81 in Groveport. Do have some warm spots on the map out there. Next several hours, temperatures will be declining into the 60s by around 8 o'clock and then back into the 50s heading into the overnight hours. So cooling off for us again as we head into Sunday. But what you might notice is, depending on where you're at in the state, a little bit more cloud coverage out towards the east, and that might be a surprise, and might even be more of a surprise to see the amount of rain that's being picked up just towards our east. But there is a sharp cutoff, seeing clouds starting to move in through southeastern Ohio, even a few rain showers into far eastern Ohio. Now, this is a part of a tropical storm. Yes, the tropical storm that we had talked about late last week, that has since then evolved to that of now Tropical Storm Ophelia. Now, this storm, still strong, max sustained winds of 40 miles an hour, bringing some storm surge of magnitude of a few feet across parts through the Chesapeake Bay up towards D.C. area. Still a pretty strong storm, bringing some heavy rains. This system is actually expected to curve back out towards the Atlantic as we head into early Monday. But still, it's going to be moving fairly slow, and it's not kicking out due east. So that's a little bit of an issue, because what's going to happen is it's going to be in close proximity to the waters, so it's going to continue to funnel in moisture along the coastline there. So unfortunately, still going to be an issue along the east coast for us. Minimal chances for rain. Now back to what we're going to be looking at for our weather. A little cooler out to the east as a result. Temperatures are into the upper 60s, low 60s in Caldwell right now, but pretty warm across central Ohio. Temperatures into the mid 70s out there. For the rest of the evening, expect things to be pretty calm. Temperature-wise, as I mentioned, falling into the 60s shortly after 8 o'clock. Then going into the overnight, temperatures will be falling back into the 50s. A very refreshing start to the day, and it is very dry. So while I am anticipating clouds will be starting to move in, looks like we'll be kind of split. Half of us will be looking at mostly sunny skies, other side of the state, perhaps heavy cloud coverage. But regardless, looking pretty nice and dry for your Sunday. Highs will be back into the mid 70s for you, and looking pretty nice as we head into your Sunday night as well. Speaking of rain chances, those will be picking up for us, but not so much because of Tropical Storm Ophelia. That's going to be kicking out to the east, but more so what's going to be coming our way from the west. That'll offer some rain chances for us as we head into the midweek. So luckily, we will be seeing some rain come our way, and definitely as we wrap up the month of September, and what will likely still go down as one of the driest Septembers we have had on record, it will be pretty cool and comfortable for us through much of next week. Rain chances will start to pick up spotty showers late Monday into the day on Tuesday, and then looking like we'll see more widespread potential for rain going into the midweek. Little leftover rain for your Thursday. Otherwise, cool, comfortable, looking pretty nice as we head into your upcoming weekend. So definitely looking like things are going to be staying pretty fall-like for us, and kind of crazy to even say that we're about to wrap up the month of September, but looking like we'll continue to see some beautiful fall weather come our way. A little bit of rain to go a long way, especially for that fall foliage out there, which again, looks like that'll be peaking later next month. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care, and make sure you tune in to 10 TV News later tonight at 11.